So I finally understand the situation where I go through, and I'm here to support you 100% because I love you. I'm gonna need you to understand that and get that in my head.
That's all I've ever wanted from you. The support. You know, you're my mom. You guys are all I have. And please, I beg you, don't give this to anybody. Not even your shopkeeper woman. A co-worker, soon to be co-worker. Don't tell anybody about this.
So, Mrs. Wallace, you not hiding too?
No, just me.
So when will it be safe?
Soon. But I need to know that I can trust you.
This is a big secret, but for Tiffany, I will definitely keep it.
And she just said bombard.
Me wanna learn that. Me wanna learn that.
Alright, Tonian. We're going to do this now.
No. So when I go practice first.
That's what we're doing now.
Ready.
Ready? Find the TV.
It did. This so.
Find Whisper.
In the this so.
Alright, Tonian. Good job. So what I talk about when I say focus?
But you did say good job. Well, I guess me have a lot to learn.
Exactly.
Karim, again, I'm asking you please. Nobody can know where Tiffany is. I need you to swear to me that you'll help me to keep her safe.
I swear, Mrs. Wallace.
Alright. We can play our favorite game now?
Come. Just get involved. Tonight a games night. Get involved.
Faster.
Well, I'm going to do everything in my power to fix this. But Tiffany, you can't leave this house again. This is it. And there's no turning back.
Alright, you want Whisper play now? Make an answer one phone call.